Budgeting 101, small changes to your budget that make a big impact. The way you spend your money every day has a major impact on your life, even if you're not realizing it this time. What you want to do is to try and study your expenses, see if they are actively helping you boost your income or not. Even the smallest changes to your budget can make a huge difference. You don't want to waste your money, instead you want to put it to good use and generate wealth in the long run. Start saving some money. You should consider saving at least 10 to 20% of your income. There are a lot of potential issues in life that can appear out of nowhere. You can lose your job, deal with unforeseen health issues, and so on. Saving money means you get to afford paying for anything even if there are problems. You'll have the safety net that really makes a huge difference. Focus on repaying your debt. Once you get paid every month, focus on eliminating debt. Not only will it help with your credit score, but you will also feel a sense of freedom. You want to figure out the right way to make a positive impact, and it will be well worth it every time if you do it right. Invest in something. Instead of just buying a new phone every year, why not invest your money in something? There are a variety of investment opportunities that cost $100 or less, such as creating your own blog or YouTube channel that can give you exponentially more in the long run. Pay more on the house principal. Paying more every month towards the principal will make your mortgage more bearable. Plus, you get to repay your house debt a lot faster. Even if it doesn't feel like a lot, it does add up, and that's the thing you want to pursue the most in a situation like this. Cancel subscriptions you don't need. A lot of people subscribe to a variety of services nowadays. It's convenient, but the question is whether you need those services or not. You want to study your expenses and cancel those services that you are in need of. That alone can help you save quite a lot of money every month. Buy used products. This approach will help you save money too. Of course, it does come with a bit of risk, since you need to pay attention to what you're buying. But most of the time you get some amazing deals and products that are pretty much new, yet with a much lower price point. Conclusion. It's always important to manage your money wisely. It doesn't matter if you have a single source of income or 5 of them, the idea is to always make the most out of your money. Invest wisely, always focus on your success, and results can be staggering in the long run. We recommend you to take your time and study every investment opportunity, all while optimizing your income. It will be well worth the effort in the long run.